Alright, so today we're gonna jump on to some more stone installation. Here we have some stone. I would say more like a fake looking natural stone. So this stone is from Brad, so it's a Brad stone we're laying. They gave us some with this lining in it, kind of make it more easier for you to break them. Tap it 1 or 2 times and it break right in the line where they have them off there. It's a 4-dimension stone. It's a medium. We have here the medium ones and we have the big ones over here. You'll see as we go in the video. The model that we're using, we use a type S cement mixed with regular all-purpose sand. As you see here, we have our Tyvek installed already, weeping plastic. All I'm gonna do right now is take my seam and we're gonna jump right into the video, start to explain to you guys how to lay this stone. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming videos like this one. Let's get started. Before I start, I like to get my wire brush and I clean my trowel up a little bit. Nice and clean. I'm gonna get my tuck tape. I'm gonna go ahead and tape off the seam. Okay, we're good where we are now. We're gonna go ahead and start to do some stone. I have this piece here that Sanjay cut from the other day. Good job cutting this piece ahead of time, make it more easier for me. Even as we have a step up here, usually you always want to start from the lower point. Like in my case, you want to start down here and work your way up to the higher point. So that's why we start down here, which is the lowest point. So now I want to install this stone that's going to go here, being as I have a joint here. If I were to go with this one, then I'm going to have a joint meet with this one here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to take a measurement from the edge of this stone here, that's here, that's where we're going to have our joint. Looking for a 3/8 to 1/2 inch joint. So first thing I'm gonna measure from the wall, come out around 4.5 inches. So she's gonna come around here. So we're gonna measure from right here. Here we have this joint, 3/8 from this or 1/2 inch. It looks like it's gonna be around 13 inches. We're gonna find a piece of medium that's around 13 inches for us to go right there. 13 inches, like I said. I'm going to cut it right there. The idea is to try to make sure all the stone is in line with each other. That way I have a nice professional look. We just level this one across. We're also going to level it this way as well. Same result as in plumbing it if you were to go this way, but being as it's a stone and we have all this rocky on it, we won't be able to go like this, so we're just going to go across to get the same result. Now that I have that one, I'm just going to put a brick tie here just to help to stabilize the first stone, being as it's down at the foundation ledge. We want to have it in line so that the other one's not going to push it away from the line. I'm just going to put a brick tie here to help stabilize the first stone. We also want to put a wedge underneath the bottom as well. Just temporary, and later on we're going to remove it just to stabilize the first one. Check again for level. Make sure that she's nice and level. Nice. 16 inches. Already level, get the level from up top here. I have a mark up here, so after I put a small one, it should bring us right up to where our level is going to be. Just going to bang this one down a little bit. Now that I have that one, I'm just going to start here with a big one. And after I put a small one to continue on with that up here. So we're going to put a big one here, popularly known as a jumbo stone. The idea is to get this and this to be in line. Afterwards, we're going to put a straight line here, just to help to maintain the straightness of the wall at the corner here. You see I have some sand here on my pouch. The reason why I put the sand here is just to help to prevent the mortar from sticking onto the concrete itself. So this stone here gonna be finished right here. Just gonna put a big one here now to break this line. Usually you don't want to go no longer than 4 feet. Right now, so I need to bring this one down to the same level as this one here that we just laid. Beautiful. Usually guys, the first coat usually takes a little bit more time than the other ones. This one you have to make sure that it's nice and level. Put the 45 nail right here now, guys. What I like to do, I like to measure here, see how much it is, so that way when I go up top there, it's going to be almost in line to where I want to have him. Don't have to push around too much. So what do. Good. We're also going to put one right here. It's going to go into the wall. Now we're going to put it into the brickyard.